As you can see right here, I haven't taken a trade for over 2 weeks. And this trade right here that I took yesterday, I was forced to take it or I would get banned from the prop firm that I'm using, Alpha Futures, because of the inactivity rule that says that you need to take a trade every single 10 trading days. As you can see right here, it was my 1, boom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th trading day. And basically, I should have actually got banned and those accounts shouldn't be here. But a friend of mine reminded me that I need to do this. And as you can see right here, I entered at 6:48 p.m. yesterday, just a few minutes before my flight. And I exit immediately at 6:48 in 1 second. So I just pressed buy with my micro and immediately got out of the position. So basically, I haven't traded for over 2 weeks. How does this even happen? And bro, it's not like I didn't want to trade. I was not looking at the charts or I was afraid to enter a trade. No, I was looking at the chart pretty much every single day, maybe besides 1 or 2 days off. I'm not afraid basically because I have confidence in my model. I have data, I have proven that my model works, and this is actually the reason why I didn't take a trade for such a long time. As you can see right here, in November, I only took 4 trades. Here also, but it got voided, so it doesn't get shown. I took 2 break-evens and 2 losses. Every single trade that I took was an A+ setup. And do I regret anything? No. I woke up ready every single day. And when I see that price is doing something that I like and it meets my criteria, I'm taking the setup like I did on those 4 days right here. And when it simply does not meet my criteria, then this is how my calendar looks like. Boom, empty, empty. This week, without the forced trade, I haven't taken a trade as well. And tomorrow is Friday. Do I care? I don't care, bro. I can go for like 3 months without a trade. I know that at the end of all of this, long term, my strategy will pay off because I took the time and backtested my strategy, my model over a long period of time for like 1.5 years. And I know even when there are months on my backtesting data, there were months that where I took 1 or 0 trades. And at the end of the year, I'm still up because I just win more than I lose, and that's basically what matters. I used to struggle with impulsive trading because I couldn't control myself like 1.5 months ago, and I didn't want to do this shit anymore. So I just started being disciplined and simply stuck to my trading model, my discretion, and I ended up like stopping with those boredom emotionally trades. I started respecting my system. Yes, there were some nice setups in November, but I didn't take them. Why? There was discretionary setups, and for the month of November, I told myself, I'm not gonna force discretionary trades. I'm gonna practice them on demo, and I did. I took 4 trades on demo. They were discretionary trades in November. I won 3 of them because I just follow what I said I'm going to do. And trading is not about trading every single day. That's the wrong perception that everyone has. The best traders trade the least amount of times. Most days aren't even worth touching. Like today, for example, as you can see right here. What is this, bro? So coming to the day, I was bullish, but just looking at this range right here, I didn't want to trade. I simply did not want to trade. Look at this range. I got the only drawn liquidity right here, maybe this and this. I came online. This is market open right here. We dump, and at this point, 9:48, I was offline. Why? Why? Because we dump, bro, and out of nowhere, price is wiki choppy. We fall back into this 1 hour range, no A+ strong liquidities. Boom, I'm done for the day. And as you can see right here, we did nothing, absolutely nothing. And on days like these, it's just not worth to stay online. Good traders wait for the best setups, and bad traders chase. And that's what I used to do. I used to chase. I used to think, bro, I've not traded in 4 or 5 days. What am I even doing? Let me take a trade. Let me take a trade. And I take and force some bullshit. I lose my confidence, I crash out, I blow my account, and the cycle repeats itself, bro. The cycle repeats itself again. And that's why I'm just so fucking tired, because I used to do this shit so many times. I'm still not profitable. Please don't think that I'm profitable. I'm trying to sell you something with this kind of dream. No, I'm not selling anything. I'm not profitable yet, but I'm getting that better. That's what like matters to me the most. I'm improving every single day, and I'm proud of that. Bro, I used to do this shit so often, like so many times, and now I'm so proud of myself that I actually can sit out, stay disciplined, and I know, bro, this peace that you get from just staying patient and waiting for your setups, it's unbelievable, bro. It's undescribable. You're just chilling every single day, and and you kind of start trusting yourself also in other areas of your life, not only in trading. You basically know, okay, when my setup comes, I'm taking it, and when my setup does not appear, I'm not taking it. You can apply this technique to other areas of your life. This mind shift like that made everything possible for me. I trust my long-term results. That's what trading is all about. And bro, It's so nice because every single trader, you can give a 5-year-old a model and he can take the same setups as a profitable trader, the best same setups, right? But what separates the 5-year-old with a profitable W trader? And it's simply filtering out low quality, low probability setups, because you can see the same trades as a profitable trader, but you cannot avoid the same losses. And that's what patience is all about. If you're patient, you're patient and wait only for those A plus setups, then you simply avoid losing trades. You avoid losing money, and then you preserve capital and you can risk heavy on those A plus setups and make money at the end eventually. Majority of people even writes me in my DMs that my discipline is immaculate, and I didn't even realize that because, bro, to me it's normal now, and this is insane, bro. Most of the people would actually just blow their accounts by FOMO, impatience, forcing some trades, over trading, needing this dopamine rush to take action, bro. Reset your dopamine. You don't need this shit. You don't need to trade every single day, because a lot of people think that not trading is not trading, but not trading is also trading. You preserve your capital and you learn. That's trading system, following it, long-term results. If you got a system, and if you don't follow the exact model, you don't want you simply won't have the long-term results that you backtested. And if you don't have backtested your model, you are cooked. There are a lot of people that ask me, yo, when are you going to trade again? Like, gang, I don't know. When the setup appears, I'm looking at the chart every single day. And if there's no setup, I'm not taking anything. I'm only gonna take a trade when everything aligns, when I like something, when my discretion tells me, yo, this looks good, this is logical, I have a safe stop loss, I have a nice strong liquidity, this looks clean, this makes sense. Maybe there's one flaw, but not every trade is perfect. So let me take this, and I'm going to take this. And then I'm gonna ask myself the question before I enter the trade: will I be fine with losing this? If the answer is yes, go for it. If no, then I'm not trading it. Simple as that. Otherwise, I'm not taking a trade just because, like, not because it's time to trade, not because I'm sitting at the charts. I'm simply not going to trade until my model appears. And that's why it's so important to actually backtest your system and then realize that the only thing that will make your money long term. And this is why it's so important to just backtest your model, gain confidence, and know that if you follow this model, like for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you will make money long term. Because every single mistake, every single flaw that is against your system, against your model, even if it's the tiniest thing, it's just like taking away probabilities or like chances from your system. You're taking away probability from your system, and trading is a game of probability. So you need to stick to your working system that you backtested, and don't be like afraid or crash out when you not have taken a trade in a week, bro. I'm sitting at 16 days or so, and I don't care. And I used to care a lot, guys. Trust me. When I didn't trade for 3 days, I would think I'm bad. I'm not seeing anything. I need to trade. Then I would end the trade. And I already told you this. You force a trade, bad setup, losing confidence, losing money, losing accounts, cycle repeats itself, bro. And I was tired of that. So just stay patient, boys. At the end, it will always pay off, and you guys know this.